My people, una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. For today, I did for one location. The location when I did, I come monitor water connector. We one of our viewers from do talk show, give Oga water connector man, make it fit for your house. Now come monitor for today. In front of me, and the water connector man be this. Oga, good afternoon.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, sir.
I want to talk to you. So, my name is Sabuyan. What about your name?
My name is Mr. Obi now, Mr. Water Connector man.
Okay, what are they and the work when one of our viewers give you? Now come monitor, you will take me there and the work, whether you don't do or you sit on it before they show me. Okay, water connector man, what you will let our viewer when they patronize you through this our channel, particularly the one we give you this job.
I have to say thank you for all my customers that have patronized me before and the ones that want to patronize me now. I say I'm grateful for all you do. You understand? Even the one that gave me this job. I say God bless you so much for giving me this job to do for you. Yes, we never lack and more money to come in your accounts, more money to build more houses. That's my prayer for you and my other clients that patronize me. God bless you all.
Amen. Our viewer, before you give them our client to work, you got to call our number. Our number is on top of this video. Okay, we go start.
Okay, so this house now we do on yesterday.
Okay, so, yesterday or yes, Sunday?
Yeah, no Sunday yesterday.
So, I believe your work.
So this one, if you see this work now, you see this burning now,
Yes.
This one are that'll be the one they talk for video. This one are 135 inner.
Okay, 135
if
inner.
You see the shape of this one now. This one is different from the rest. I will show you the main inner.
Yes.
There are two types of inner.
Yes.
So now 135 because of the burning. So this work now with professional experience.
Yes.
Because of people they do this kind of work, they even see this kind roofing. And that is they go run because you not fit one. And the way they know the after and the normal inner and the normal outer.
Yes.
So this one we don't finish the job perfectly. We use water test run and we use water pour am. So everything work perfectly.
It work perfectly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the first dropping.
Yeah, this is the first dropping.
We'll see the first dropping.
Yes. You see, we put elbow for there. They get some people now. They put elbow for this place. So we use elbow.
Okay,
so,
if the water they come out from here as a piece of, but you know go shock this.
No.
Okay,
wow. Flow where.
Okay, move. They look and they go.
Okay, sir.
After. Not be after they call this one.
And after.
Okay,
after. So now the funnel.
Okay, wait for
you don't say we do the funnel. You see, do the outer too, the same thing.
Yes.
So
okay, that is the second dropping.
Second dropping, and you see have to come down. And because you see this place, we can't use two elbow for here. Normally, you see now the place straight.
Yes.
Or use 3 elbow. As this place be like this, because in a pillar, you can't use 2 elbow for here.
Okay, 2 elbow. It's all right. Not so.
Second dropping be this.
So make for they okay.
They okay. So make it lap well.
Where would they go?
See that same in a way they talk about. So no sense so different. Now I will show you that in a way at the top of video. This one different from that one.
It's all right.
Yes, sir. So this one the third dropping. Be this.
Okay, this is the third dropping.
You see how solid it is. If you shake them, you can shake them. Make it
solid. Show them our viewers. It's strong.
Yes, sir. So
okay. Another drop is there.
Another drop is there. So I feel like the 4th dropping because what you use for this house now 10 dropping. You see as I come down with elbow.
Okay.
Screw here.
Yeah.
Screw that side. 2 concretely. You screw the elbow. You screw the funnel. All tally. The same thing we do for the ones where you know the video they come.
It's all right. Money.
Yes, sir.
On Sunday here on do
for Sunday here.
That means any client give you work. If you or Sunday you come.
I will come.
May you do
to satisfy my customer.
It's all right. Yes, very good idea. Very good idea.
They say this country now everybody they meet off with money now. There is no day. They say no food for this country because of the way things. The
cost of food.
What do you use for this line? Actually dropping.
It's all right.
I use for this side, sir.
It's all right.
So you see you join out with the joiner with the wrapper with silicone cup.
You
see this hanger. 1, 2, 3, then 4. And we use for all any house where we go.
Yes.
Now 4 hanger.
Made for strong.
Made for strong. Made for solid. Now you be the thing.
Right.
So
another
dropping for you. So I go make them now 5 dropping like this now.
It's all right.
5. So
okay, want to go?
Yes, sir.
Now viewers, say you really finish The work.
Yes, sir. You see the back now, we use two for the back.
Okay, two for the
Because
back.
place white for the back. So now some people now they go use one pipe for here. You see,
And you not go hold on.
no go hold am now because you know say if this work be say like now if you go dey use one pipe make e serve over 3 gutter.
Yes.
You go serve am o. Go serve am o but every time go come the pressure from that water you go make am dey sack. That's why you see say some gutter dey sack because of say their pipe wey dey put for here that pipe no fit accommodate am.
Yes.
If you look at am now this one go serve one pipe for this side, you see another pipe for there.
It's all right.
So from this side and this side go serve am. So e go balance.
Yes.
E no go be like say this one go dey difficult, you no go dey for the gutter. E go dey follow slow well, e go dey flow well
Good.
for ground. That's why we no dey manage type. Yes sir. Instead of workman now because say money. No, I dey do like that. Yes sir. I go tell my customer say straight I wan use for the house na 10 and na that 10 I go use for the house. Not be say and this one I will use water test corner.
Okay, test strong
The place test corner.
place
You see
may-
some
okay.
you see some water now with the ground. We use water test.
yes, yeah.
So that will be the thing for the work. See on another type. I
Yes.
dey for the back too.
Okay, we'll check the rest.
Okay, sir.
And at the owner choose this black. I mean, you all put the black
Now
for.
you stock I say now black in your things.
Okay, you need
because
black.
the roofing.
Oh,
dey
it
black.
match to the-
match am.
Okay.
So,
Is the other dropping? Yeah.
yes, sir. So this place now what we to say as you, that way you pour water for here.
Yes.
The water come dey go this place.
Okay.
Come out for here. As you test the water, the flow, even when we come ourselves, we never leak. That will say how professional we are. So as professional now, make the water not too much for this place for one pipe. You can put one pipe for here.
Okay.
So make it ease the
Make
pressure.
for hold on.
Make it ease, make it hold and make ease the pressure.
Yes.
So any water where they come, you know, go they give am much pressure on this side. But if that's a workman now, they say okay, since now one pipe all they put, use one pipe for here. You know, go put pipe for here.
You know, work like
For that place, no go work.
Okay.
If you work now, you think you go come the pool, you go the sack because they find water. Because this Benin here,
Na
Benin
so
here, those
rain
states so rain. As you do now, you don't dey go rain now every day, and rain go see for today.
Okay. Now the other drop is with this.
And the water drop with this one, they come down. So if they come out now, see another water, you go push the water.
Come this
outside.
side.
Yes, sir.
Where they go?
I want to show you inner. Inner, that inner where I want to show you. Okay, no, I don't pass. I want to I don't forget.
Okay, inner.
See that this inner now. So now very this place very as in intellectual job for
Yes.
you. If person will not sabi this work, they will run for this job.
Now this
Or
go
no
here?
go- Yes, now we see here.
No
Now
go
security has this one.
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See the security house.
I see the dropping.
Yes, sir.
Very strong,
Yes,
strong,
sir,
strong. Okay, move. Come this side.
Around the security house.
Okay, round the security. Come out from
I
outside.
want for outside. Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
More reach the outside. No see any workman monitor. I go.
Okay.
I will let me reach.
No problem.
Wait for stop.
No problem. Sir.
Then our viewers
Okay, sir.
see the work. Me the see am say
Yes, sir.
you really finish the work.
Yes, sir.
Not be boo boo yes. Okay. Now here for end.
Yes, sir.
So me there. So my people, the water connector man don't take me around the work we do for this very house. Say don't finish and do a perfect work. So Oga, like how much cost the owner we take fix this water connector for your house?
What you call this house? If you see this house now, you know, say I talk my people. They say because of the corner for the place. Because if this my chairman house where I
Yes.
do for am on Sunday. Now corner way full and those things where I dey explain for the inner.
Yes.
Those things they expensive.
Okay.
For market. See both the security house, the main house, the labor, the material and transportation. Now 399,000, but we negotiate for 385,000.
Okay, 385.
But now 399, but we negotiated. So any work where they give me is negotiable. Not be say I give you work, I give you price. You say na short price, not be short price market. Any price we'll negotiate the price.
Okay,
no
any
negotiable.
price,
Yes,
any work they give you,
yes, any work they give
you talk the price, it then negotiable.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you quick call your number when you have you have to reach.
Okay, my number now 070 69 78 6509.
On that number, they will fit reach you.
Yes,
You
sir.
could call that one.
08033884611.
My people, I greet you for time to watch this video.
Yes, sir.